Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this 100-watt power adapter from the manufacturer Acer to do a review. It has 3 Type-C outputs and 1 USB Type-A output. So let's open it up, give it a closer look, and give it a try. So let's open it up. Okay, it comes with a user manual. This is model OPD 105. So on the back of this user guide, it gives you the output wattage for each of the ports. So it has the AC plug that can be flipped down, flipped back up when not in use. You have 1 Type A USB and 3 USB Type C outputs. So it came with an extension cord. To use that, you flip up the power. I think this slides down from the top down. And then you have an extension cord that you can in turn plug that into the outlet. And then this could be set on your desktop or nightstand or other table. Okay, I've got the extension cord plugged in the nearby outlet. You can see the LED light is lit up blue, indicating that the power is on. I'll use the USB port here at the top, Type-C output. You can use it to charge and plug your earpods in, while at the same time I'm using the USB-A, then use the other end to plug in and charge my iPad. You can see the lightning bolt indicating that it's being charged. Then use the USB Type-A to charge up my MacBook Pro. So this 100-watt power adapter from Acer is definitely the tool to have, especially if you're using multiple devices at the same time or need to charge them at any given time or at the same time. I like the fact that you have 3 USB Type-C charging ports, 1 USB-A. That gives you a lot of devices that you can charge at the same time. And I like the fact that it comes with a 5-foot extension cord that you can plug into an outlet and then keep this on your desktop or workstation nearby for easy access. So I highly recommend this 100-watt power adapter from Acer.